We live about 40 minutes outside of downtown Seattle, and my daily driver is the i3. Seattle is one of the most set up for the electric car movement. Everywhere we go, there's charging stations. And usually the charging stations are at the most accessible, easy area, whether we're going to a shopping mall or downtown Seattle. It used to be that you would go somewhere and there was one. Now I go somewhere and there's like 3 or 4. They come up on my navigation of the i3, or they come up through the smartphone app or the watch, and I can add them to my favorite list of charging options. It's pretty easy to use. You need a card in order to do your charging in those different locations, and you wave the card in front of the receiver. You have to make sure your car is locked and that the plug is completely engaged with the vehicle in order to get the charge. They also offer a DC connected charge, which is fantastic for people who want to be able to charge the car up to 80% in about 20 to 30 minutes. So one of the great things about the BMW iRemote app is that the minute that the charge is activated, you can always get a good indication that charging is happening until your car is completely charged. Once you get back to your car, you have to unlock your car to pull the plug out and then return it to the public charging station. At that point, you're stopping actually charged to your account. BMW has introduced this new program called Reach Now. If you live in Seattle or you're visiting, you can use a card or use an app and actually go drive an i3 around the city and then drop it off, and they take care of all the charging and everything. As this movement grows and there's more infrastructure for driving electric, it'll just become a part of normal life.